in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for east central Boone County and north central Illinois, northwestern McHenry County and northeast Illinois until 10:15 a.m. At 9:33 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles northeast of Belvidere and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This day, storm will be near Harvard around 9:45 a.m. Hebron around 10 o'clock a.m. Richmond around 10:05 a.m. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.